Hi, how you doing? I'm going to talk for 10 or 12 minutes, depending. I might edit some stuff out because like I said, I like to draw, not talk at the same time. But I'm going to share some of my creative skills here when I'm editing certain concepts. Now, this concept that you're seeing right here is being done by AI. Now, because I'm working on my animation stuff, and this is the reason why I feel that AI is handy when it comes to creating like art stuff, or if I wanted to come up with some concepts just to help me think of like a certain project that I'm working on. It has some cool ideas, but at the same time it can't really do what you do, because it seems like there's a limit with AI. And when it comes to being creative, it can give you so many ideas, weird stuff, but it can't do what you do. And this is the reason why this video is called you will not be replaced if you have value. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to hold down, obviously it would have been done already, but if I hold down A, you see this, or you might not be able to see it, but it's selecting the image right now. And if I hold down Control and X, and then I hold down Control and V, now it's in a different layer. Now we got a background, its own background, so it's in a different layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a different layer, bring down the opacity, so I can actually show you what I'm going to correct in this concept. Now, I don't like talking and drawing at the same time, so before I've tried to make this video, because I'm rendering at the background, it might go slow. It's not slowing down, it's okay now because I'm not on the internet, so that's probably the reason why it was slowing down a bit. But now it seems to be okay, so I can draw at the same time. As long as you show what you know and correct certain things so that it can learn from you, then again, without you, AI is going to always depend on what it knows. It's going to just follow the source. So like, if you want to learn a certain thing, it's going to be programmed what it knows, because again, the information that's been given to AI, because it's linked up to a machine that can process information quickly than you, but again, it still needs you to guide it. So wrong one. Yeah, so again, without you, it's going to be difficult to know what it can know. Like, it can only learn from you and things like this. Now, if I wanted to have a conversation with this AI and I told this AI, can you fix this, these are the things that's missing, can you add that in there? Now, I could do it myself because obviously I've got the skills to do it, but it's not going to give you exactly what you want. So for me, if I wanted to draw Ryu in a certain way, I know how I want him to draw, I know what I want him to be, and I know exactly how he should be drawn. With AI, it knows how Ryu looks like. Art looks great, the details there, but there's certain things missing. Or sometimes you will have missing arms, legs. It just ends up putting stuff that doesn't need to be there. where the tones are. I mean, I wasn't sure if I wanted to add in the detail like this, but I thought I'd keep it simple. I'm not going to I could actually add in the detail, but it looks cool without it. I feel like it looks like it needs this around it, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to do it because it feels like it needs it. And then I'm going to put a blur around that. And you can adjust it as well if it's too, if you don't want to blur it too much, where it's just, you want to make sure that it's still like it's like it's part of the concept. Now you can see that it's looking good. Yeah, if the hand looks weird, what I do is I cover the concept, I press Control and C. Or I press Control, hold down Alt Shift Control, then press Control V, and I press Control T. This is where you get the free transform. It's going to happen in a minute, just loading right now. Okay, and this is where because like I said, I like the hands, but I don't like it where it's looking. Now it looks better like this, so I can adjust it the way I want it. Don't have to worry about redrawing that again. This video is going to be like showing you what AI can do, but also showing you that with it needs you. Without you, it's going to be like AI ain't going to get it right without you. It needs you to guide it. So I would have mentioned that already. So, but yeah, I think that's it. I think we got to a point. I don't think I need to do any more than that. I think I've done enough here. Just want to make sure that it's not always going to get right, and you need to be the guy or the girl to fix the errors. And this is, yeah, it looks better how it was before. It looks better than it was before. So you can see how it was. This is how it was before. And I'm going to take this, because I'm going to copy this. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to go back here, so it's not going to copy the whole thing. So I'm going to copy this, put it in here, so you can see the difference between can make a video called okay and better. So like I said, the AI art is great, but it cannot replace you, because without you it's hard to even do certain things. That's why you have value. I want to get you guys to learn to create value for yourself. That's why I'm here to just share what I know. And obviously there's other dudes doing the same thing, but they're not doing the way I do it, because I'm doing it because I am passionate in doing stuff like this. The good thing about AI, I don't have to I can work on my other projects while AI can do the other art, and if there's some things in it that I don't like, I can easily edit it. And most of the stuff that you can see here, I can do it myself if I had the time to edit most of the stuff. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this so you can see because I might have to basically do some editing here, so you can see the difference between AI and human. This is why you will always create, well, this is going to be the thumbnail anyway, so I'm creating a thumbnail, and I'm going to show you some stuff in here, but obviously I just want to show you, the difference between you and the AI, things that I fixed, and yeah, obviously you can't really see because I have to basically put this arm here. Yeah, okay, and better. So I'm gonna create the thumbnail now. So yeah, that's my video. Like, subscribe if you like what you see here. Give it a like, and if you don't, obviously this is just something I'm sharing with you. If you are working on some concepts, I don't know if there's anything you can take from this, because I'm just showing you that if you have the skills, you're going to be okay. And if you want to learn how to create, if you want to learn how to do the things what I'm doing here at this Create Studio, so, and if you want to learn how to do what I do, yeah, fill out the questionnaire, and from there I will teach you all the things what I know, and hopefully you will get this message. And yeah, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and hopefully when the time is right, the universe will send you in my direction. So have a good day, and take care, and yeah, love you all. Bye bye.